In this video, I'm going to show you how to register your Littmann Stethoscope warranty. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, the best way to do this is to open up a web browser and head on over to littmann.com. Then from here, on their main page, we want to go ahead and click on the warranty and repairs tab. Now, so we're inside the warranty and repairs for your stethoscope. So we want to go ahead and scroll down, and then where it says register your Littmann stethoscope, go ahead and click onto that. And then they're going to give you some information about warranty periods by model, so you can see all the different type of warranty periods by these models. So click on register your stethoscope. And now on the next page, this is where we got the option to go ahead and create an account, and then from there we can go ahead at the same time put in our stethoscope warranty information. So we need to go ahead and complete the form below. So all fields are required unless indicated otherwise. So we want to go ahead and put in an email address, phone number, first name, last name. Now also your affiliated hospital, organization or group name, job role, medical specialty, country. Please select where you purchased the stethoscope. So it could be the med shop, team medical. Others, please provide the order number on your proof of purchase. Also, please select the model name you purchase. So this can be core digital to classic, etc. Now, also indicate the color or catalog number of the stethoscope you are purchasing. And then also please provide the serial number of the product engraved on the stethoscope head. So they've got an example. It's going to look similar to that, but obviously different numbers. And then also please select the date of purchase. So go ahead and put that in. Then go ahead and click on to submit. Then once you've done that, that's going to successfully register your Littmann stethoscope for warranty.